Good morning and welcome to today's video. Welcome to stage 3 of Hotchillee's Cape Rouleur. We're starting the day by riding up a massive mountain with no warm-up. I love cycling.
There's my Pentani look. There's my Pentani look. There's my Froome look. Come Brad.
It's definitely a bit of a shock doing that thing first time in the morning, but the saving grace is that the sun's not too strong. So it didn't actually get too hot. Loads of shade all the way up. Awesome descent coming up.
Never mind. This is my life. Oh, never mind. But I'm never happy. Oh, never mind. This is my life. Oh, never mind. But I'm
So that was the best descent ever. Previously, the other side was the best descent ever, but now I've done that. Best descent ever. 120 k's to go. Sun's out. Let's do it.
On this thing, if your line is right, you don't need brakes at all on this pass.
There was probably one where it was a bit.
There's one corner where I did have to brake.
Yeah, I think if the line's right and you know it, just
Yeah, if you use all the roads.
yes.
Which we're not doing.
We do not go over the white line.
Ever.
Because
that's right.
Auntie said no.
You've got to ride within your capability. The moment you start getting excited and trying to follow somebody and riding over, then that's when you get into
Look, to be fair, I've still got the skin on my knees, so I think we could have gone lower.
Oh, Holmesy,
Right, he's out. Good man, same as. Sat on the wheel with my ride captain.
making him do all the work.
It's just us today.
Well, you're doing him a favour because you're giving him lots of lovely training volume
Absolutely.
for his Cape Epic.
We're kind of running out of ride captains now. We need to open the box, get a few new ones out.
A couple of bad stomachs this morning.
Yeah, unfortunately.
They're missing the best stage, I think.
Yeah, this is so beautiful, isn't it? And that descent was amazing.
Wait till we get to the coast road, though.
Yeah. When we rode last year, I think it was quite cloudy along there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be nice. But rain tomorrow, so it's a bit of a mixed bag. You're filming that kit as well. That kit's awesome.
every penny I win is a little piece of heaven in my pocket. Glitter and gold, feel it taking hold, and I know that I just can't stop it. I'm tripping up on you.
GC section done. I attacked it. Really bad idea because it was really hard. And I got caught. And then I attacked it again. Second time, it was a bad idea as well. I drank like 4 bottles of water since we stopped here.
Good now. Do beers at lunch.
Beers at lunch.
Beers at lunch, roll down the cart.
Hello, mate. You look a bit smashed. It's all going to be worth it. We've got the best roads coming up.
Yeah.
The coast road.
Yeah.
It'll be worth it, mate.
It was great in a car.
Lawrence behind you. 50. All right, Loz. All right, mate. Whoa,
Just got taken out.
are you?
Like rugby world champion, yeah. It's a big hit, that was, Joel. Not many people could take that.
Rock over. Why are you down there, buddy?
What am I getting treated like this? That's how they treat the ride captains in Group 1. There's literally no respect.
What we got coming up, Holmesy?
Flat.
Is it flat?
Flat and sunny, but windy, I think. Yeah, flattish, bit rolling. Yeah, along the coast as well. So yeah, it should be a bit easier. But a few tired legs.
Are we going up that climb that goes to nowhere? Like
No,
last year?
we're not going to do that one.
Oh, got out of it.
I quite like that climb, but maybe not today.
Wind's picked up quite a lot. Let's hope it's kind of in our favour. It won't be though, it's going to be a headwind. Legs feeling alright?
Yeah.
You're looking forward to the headwind?
I don't think I will manage today.
You're going to keep the jersey? You got it today? Did you get it earlier?
did.
He's on it, he's on it. Wasn't joking about the wind. This is ridiculous. We're just cruising on the wheels here. Luckily this bit's a headwind. As soon as we turn right on the coast, we're gonna have a full-on crosswind, probably some echelons, and not much camera work. Legs are feeling surprisingly good after 3 days. guess you end up riding into it a bit.
I feel pretty good.
Yeah, I think everyone does.
It's pretty
That
hot.
it's quite windy, isn't it?
A headwind. Felt like I was going backwards.
It's easy on the wheels, but as soon as you like move out a tiny bit,
You look at the flags there. Yeah. This is a nice road now, isn't it?
at least it's kind of a headwind and not a crosswind, because then we'd be real stuff.
That's it now, isn't it? The sprint's out of the way, so it's just a cruise into.
Mate, Shamig's eating it. Shamig's eating a cake. He's going to be smashing it any minute now.
That one was better. They weren't.
So houses here have been surrounded by fire. This house is completely, the bushes around it are all charred, but it's fine. And then there's a house just like 100 meters away that's completely burned down. Coming up, one of the nicest parts of today's ride, all the way down the coast, rolling road. Bit of a headwind, but we've got some guys on the front. Full speed ahead to a beer.
15k's to go of glorious Clarence Drive.
Lovely.
2019 Hotchillee, Cape Rouleur. Thanks for coming.
And that is the end of stage 3, end of all the race sections as well. Tomorrow is going to be a nice easy spin back into Cape Town. I need a beer. Do you like my top?
Absolutely.
I can get you one of these.
Where do I get those? France or
France? Why would they sell them in France?
leg is not that good. The kid.
He's mean, man. He's mean.
Yes, but your legs are looking slightly
He makes
twiggy,
fun
eh?
of me all the time.
You're missing some definition here, buddy.
Do you keep up with those?
I'm just go away.
With that?
Go away.
It's the only reason I ride.
Didn't fancy doing that climb.
Yesterday. I mean, yesterday was short, eh?
Yeah, it was short, but to add another 80k on.
Say it again.
You took it to 190, didn't you?
Yeah, 190. He needs subtitles now.
Who does? Tony? Tony needs subtitles sometimes, yeah.
So 3 times up French up, and then out to Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why not?
Have you got... Sorry.
Paul has. Ow!
What are you doing, Justin?
Oh, just keeping the sun off my arms.
That's not a good look, Justin, for snappy dresser.
Have you seen yourself lately? No, I'm not a good dresser. That's the reason I can take the piss out of you. Will you video me? The reddest man in the world. Hello, I am red.
So we're just having a chill out, get some food in, recovery food, even though it was all deep fried. Tonight is the prize giving dinner because it's the last day of all the race sections. The very hotly contested KOM, Sprint and GC winners will be announced. And what are you going to watch? And drink beer. I hope Sife is one.
The sprint jerseys as well. Sizawubiza ngaphambili usiphathela azosiphathela ijezi yakhe ehlaza mfundisi. Siphathele. This guy from the riding. All the way from Plettenberg Bay, kwanobuthula mfundini. Siphe Ncaphai. I don't know if Colin is here.
Oh, it's freezing!
It looks very short.
Why don't you go for a swim?
You know what? I dare you. I dare you to jump in.
Is that the first time you've seen it?
You're always grabbing me nuts!